All right, so this is a Leetcode easy um, valid anagram. So basically anagram, if you don't know already, uh, basically it has to have the same letters and the same count of each letter. So yeah, I guess when you think of count, I won't say all of the time, but most or a lot of the times you'll use a hash map to keep a count of something. So or that's one way to do it. Um, or an array or yeah, anything really. So yeah, I'll just use a hash map. So uh, and it'll be of so the key will be a character, and then the value will be an int for the count. And okay, my and then so the first thing, well, actually before I even do that, they're not the same size. Length is not equal to t dot length, and we're just gonna return false. Um, and then so if it passes that, we'll create a hash map. Then I'll just turn these into arrays. So uh, S to char array, and I'll just copy that. And do that for both, and then so for I'll just do C for character and S array. Let's see. Yeah, and then we'll just do or yeah. So we'll just um, add this character's count. So we'll just use get or default. And then so we'll try to get that character. If not, we'll just default it to 0, and then we'll just add a 1. In case this is the first time. But yeah. And then for the second iteration, we want to check. So we're adding all the counts in S array. So we're just using, we can use either one, but we're adding all the characters in their counts to the hash map in this first for loop. So, and the next one, yeah, we'll just pretty much do the same thing. So, or I'll just do our current. Let's do map getter default. This time we're not going to increment it. We're just going to get the current value of whatever character we're on. So, and then so basically if current is smaller than 1, so if there's nothing, if it's 0, basically we could check if it's 0 or anything less, then we're just going to return false. If not, we're going to set the we're going to decrement the count for that character. So equals, we'll just do, yeah, we can do this. So we're doing the pre-decrement operator, or we could do current. We could do this above as current equals current minus 1, or minus equal, whatever. Yeah. And yeah, that should be it. Oh, we have to return true. Because if we got to this point, then we're good, right? And I'll just run the code just to test it. I'll use the example ones. And I'll submit it. And it fluctuates the times, whatever. So yeah, that's Leetcode's valid anagram with Kotlin.